I will. Today we will going to discuss about if-else if ladder statement. So we will see the syntax here. Very simple syntax. So is a syntax. You can see we will going to write the keyword if. Condition number one. Check the condition. If it is true, it will execute the condition number one body. So this one it will going to be executed. If it is condition one is false, it will go to the else part. Here condition one more condition is there, that is condition number two. If this condition number two is true, it will going to execute this particular statement related to condition number two body. Again, if it is false, it will go to the else part. Again, here one more condition is there, three. If it is true, it will going to execute the body of condition number three. Otherwise, it will go to the else part, default statement, whatever the statement we will going to write, that will be executed. If it is false, if the all three conditions are false, it will go to the else part and it will go to execute this one. This is the simple syntax. We will write the program on this. We are going to write the program in the IDE. So we are using IntelliJ IDE here. So what I will going to do, I will going to write a program using if else if ladder. So here first what I will going to do, I will going to import the scanner here. So we need a scanner. That's why what I will going to do, I will going to import Java dot here util dot scanner semicolon. That's it. This is how we will going to import the scanner. So we imported the scanner. So you can able to see we have a class here. So you have to create a main method. Method is required here. So you can see we haven't wrote any method here. So that is the reason why I will going to create a method. So very simple in the IntelliJ IDE. So just you have to write main, again control space bar, enter. That's it. Automatically it will want to generate the main method. You can see this is our main method. Here to write. Now what I will want to do, I will want to create an object for this particular scanner. So that's why scanner. So that is equal to provide an object. So I will going to say S is an object here, that is equal to new, again method scanner method. I will want to say system, because I'm taking the input from the keyboard. That's right, system.in. That's it. Semicolon. So this is how we will want to do it. Again, I will want to say yes. So just you mention caps as here, S. So now you can able to see control dot you have to mention system dot, again control dot you have to mention out, again you're going to get it println, just enter it. So here you write enter the value, enter the number. Okay, so enter the number. So you have to enter. Okay, that's it, semicolon. So you provide the semicolon, that is more than enough. Now I sent message to the user saying that you have to enter the number. Now what I'm going to do, so we have to call this object, so to take the input. So that's why what I will do, I will integer. Okay, so I will going to take number, num I will want to use, num is equal to, or you can use whatever it may be. For that, call object, using object I will going to call the method in the scanner class, that is next integer. Basically next int is nothing but what, it will going to take the integral values as an input here. So now it is done. So now what I will going to do, I will going to create a if else ladder. Now if num is less than 10. Okay, so what I will going to do, I will going to say like this. I will going to say that wait a minute, system. Okay, so control dot you have to mention system dot control dot out dot println. Okay, here I will going to say, so number is less than 10. Number is less than 10. Okay, that's it. Now, again put next line. So that's it. Okay, done. So this first condition is over. This I will going to call this one as condition number 1. Okay. So I will say condition number 1. Okay. Just I will say directly condition number 1. Now condition number 1. Okay. So now what I will going to do? I will go to the else part. If that condition is false, I will go to the else part. Else again, if statement I will going to create here. I will want to write something like that. Num is less than 20. Okay, I will going to create a condition. This is condition number 2. Condition number 2 I will going to create here. I will going to create a body for this. Here I will going to say, so just I will going to copy this one because of time consumption. So just I will paste here. So I will say less than 20. That's it. Okay, so less than 20. So if you enter the value below 10, no, 9 up to 9, it will says that. So the entered value is number is less than 10, like that it will want to show you. So if you enter 10, 10 to 20, 10 to 19, it will want to say it is less than 20, like that. Otherwise, so yeah, I will want to put one more condition. So just I will want to copy this one. So it's same condition, that's why I am copying this one. So here I will want to mention 30 here. Just I will want to mention 30. So I will going to say here less than 30, like that. Okay. So finally I will going to provide one more default condition, else here. So what I will going to say, just this. Here I will going to take this condition, copy this one, again paste it here. Okay, here I will going to give the different statement. Okay, different message saying that number is suppose if you entered more than 30, suppose if you entered 40, so then it will say number is greater or equal to 30. That's it. So this is what, if I enter 30, so it will go to the 30, otherwise it will go to the else part. If you enter 40, it will go to the else part, like that. Finally I will going to provide one more statement. Here I will going to say, after executing this statement will going to be executed, it indicates the execution is over, like that. So finally what I will want to do, I will want to say, I will say like this, outside the if else if ladder. That's so this is your program. Just now run this. So it takes some time. So it's running. Okay, fine. It is asking the number. So basically, as per your conditions, you can able to see you have to enter the number 1 to or 0 to 9, like that. So what I will going to do, I will going to enter the number 9. So now when I enter the number 9, it will says that number is less than 10, like that. It will show you after that this default statement. So this one. So outside the if else ladder, this statement will going to be executed. Let's see that. You can see, so number is less than 10, and outside the if else ladder, nothing but the execution is over. Again I will going to take one more condition here. So I will going to take one more condition. I will going to enter the value 10. So 10 means 10 is less than 10. Actually this condition is false, it will go here. Okay, so 10 is less than 20, it will going to say is that 10 is less than 20, like that. I will going to enter the value, that is 10. You can able to see number is less than 20, outside the if else ladder, nothing but the execution is over. Now what I will going to do, I will going to enter 20. So basically 20 is less than 20, basically condition is false. That's the reason why I will going to run once again. So now you can able to see, I will going to enter the 20. Now 20 I will going to enter. Now it will says that number is less than 30. Okay, it will go to this particular condition. 20 is less than 30. That's the reason why it will going to be executed this one. Suppose if I enter 30, so what I will going to do, I will going to run once again. I will going to enter the 29. First I will going to enter the 29. You can able to see, still it will going to give you number is less than 30, but once again I will going to run, I will going to give the value 30. Now I will going to give the value 30. See here. But here number is greater than or equal to 30. Basically 30. So 30 is equal to 30. That is correct. So that is the reason why it will go to the else part and it will going to execute the default statement which we have written number is greater than. Basically greater. Okay. So as well as that is equal to 30. When it's compared to this condition equal to 30. Otherwise, if I enter another value, it will be greater than 30. Okay. So then finally it will says that execution is completed. That's why outside the if else if ladder. Okay. So one more condition I will going to check. Example 31. I will going to provide the condition one more 31. Now we check. It is greater than 30. Yes or no? So that's it. So this is how you can able to implement the if else if ladder. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.